Namaste all of you. Let us solve some numericals from integration. Today we'll discuss some problems on substitution method. Example, integration of x cube sine x to the power of 4 dx. It's a compound form, so what I am doing, I am taking it x to the power of 4 is equal to t, implies differentiation of it 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So you can replace dx as dt by 4x cube. 4x cube. So that implies what? Why, when you replace it, integration of x cube sine t into dt by 4x cube. So x cube get cancelled. Now this is equal to 1 by 4 I can take out outside, then sine t dt. Now what is integration of sine t is minus cos t. Let's see. Now what is t? We have replaced it as by, instead of t we can replace it as x to the power of 4. So minus cos x to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. The next problem, example, integration of cosecant square sin x cos x dx. Now here in this problem, instead of x, sin x is there, so I can take that as t. Let sin x is equal to t, implies differentiation of sin x is cos x dx is equal to dt. So cos x dx is there already in the structure, so I can write directly cos x dx can be replaced as dt. Now implies what happens to the problem? Cosecant square t dx cos x dx is dt, so dt, direct one. What is integration of cosecant square x? Minus cot t plus c. Minus cot t is sin x plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? One more example. Integration of sine inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Now this is the problem. So I'm considering like this. Let sine inverse x is equal to t. On differentiating this, 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. Now if you observe the figure, I just want to separate and show you integration of sine inverse x into 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. It looks like this. So when I replace sine inverse x as a t, this entire thing will be replaced by dt. So integration of t dt. Now what is integration of t? T square by 2 plus c. What is t here? We have supposed the sine inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? Thank you. Example, integration of sine of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Now in this problem, instead of x, tan inverse x is there, so we can consider that as t. Let tan inverse x is equal to t. Now differentiating tan inverse x, what is tan inverse x differentiation? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Now if I look into the problem given, I am splitting it, separating it for your understanding sake. Sine of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now tan inverse x can be replaced as t. This entire thing can be replaced as dt. So what happens? Sine t, this entire thing is becoming dt. What is the integration of sine t? Is minus cos t plus c. Now minus cos, what is t? We have supposed tan inverse x plus c. Hope you have understood the problem, right?
You like my videos? Click like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.